the government headed by the Prime Minister Modi has completely failed in this whole COVID crisis. They have utterly failed in discharging their constitutional duty. They imposed a lockdown, which I have been saying from day one, it is unconstitutional. Law and order, public health are state subject in the state list. It was unconstitutional, it was unplanned. When this unconstitutional, unplanned lockdown was imposed on all the states by Mr. Modi's government, at that time the virus, only 560 people had virus. Now we are nearing 3 lakh people have virus. And you are opening the economy now. So to impose a lockdown, the great visionary called Mr. Modi took only 4 hours to impose lockdown. Now this great visionary gives 8 days time to lift the lockdown. When more than crores of migrant laborers have gone back to the respective states, you are opening the economy now. You have not ramped up medical infrastructure during this 2 months lockdown, and that is why you see in the state of Gujarat the fatality rate is higher than the national average. The fatality rate is higher than the national average. Media does not talk about it. Why? Because they don't want to show BJP's failures. They are only there to show what Modi is saying, what Modi has done. But the reality is different. This government has completely failed, and 120 million, 12 crore people have lost their jobs. Out of that, nearly 8 crore people belong to migrant laborers, contract workers, domestic helpers. Can all these 12 crore people get back their jobs? What is the plan of the government headed by Mr. Modi? Zero. There is no plan. There is no plan to even provide any succor to them. What is the government headed by Mr. Modi help the state governments? Please tell us. Nothing has been helped. No state government has been helped. You take our state of Telangana. Here the Chief Minister has been demanding that the loans of state government should be deferred. You are not agreeing to that. We have increased FRBM limits from 3 to 5 with conditions. And the Chief Minister rightfully said, are we beggars? Ways and means advance, make it 100%. You don't want to do it.